Hello and welcome back to another video. Yes, today we are going to go down the local market to have some food. The time is 7:30 p.m. and I'm starving. I don't know what I'm going to eat yet, but what I'll do, I'll show you everything what we have to offer. There is another market over there, but I'm not going to go there today. We'll just stay at this small one here. Okay, so we've got these barbecue figs. Got 10 baht each, I think. Got in there, look, cooking them up. Looks good. This is a cow mangai. I've had this plenty of times. I normally have that for breakfast, though. We'll give that one a miss today. This is one of my favourites here, pad see ew. Brilliant chef. Might come back to that one actually. This one is like Chinese noodles. I did a video here as well. These are quite good actually. But yeah, I don't want that today. But yeah, they're very nice. This one is a pad thai lady. $45 baht. More noodles there. This one. I've never tried this one here. This is the pork leg. Comes with an egg. Kakamu. You've got your pickled there. Oh, that looks fantastic. Look. Right along here, we've got loads more food. Have a little walk down there. I'm thinking about kakamu or pad see ew. We'll see if there's anything else. See if there's anything new. Okay, so this is a really good restaurant. Music playing there. Yeah. 59 baht hamburger. There is green tea. One of my favourites. Let's come back here another time and have a green tea. This one is new. This wasn't here before. This is pad thai as well. A little bit of a clean over there. I can't remember this one being here either, that must be new. Let's go and have a closer look. Duck. It's very nice. All the vegetables in there. 60 to 70 baht. Prices there. 6 to 36 baht. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Put it no. Trying to eat healthy, so those hot dogs are not on the list for tonight. But this looks alright. These noodles again, are they? You've got your tofu and stuff in there. This is the burger guy. These are really good. Prices there. Have in English too. I think I might go and have a pad see ew. Yeah, let's do it. I'll show you how good this chef is. Hope it's still cooking. Okay, there we have it. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. This guy is one of the best at pad see ew. Stuck into this big bit of pork, bit of vegetable. Lovely. Great. Do some chilies on there. Sorry about the lighting, but it is dark out here. Yeah, them chilies on there, look. Mix them in. And eat. Come here about once a week to this guy. Absolutely lovely. Wow. He even gave me a free drink of water. Crack on. Great. A little bit hot down here though. Plenty of pork. These are big fat noodles. Chinese broccoli, is it? Or kale? Spot on. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to crack on and eat this. Don't forget to hit the like button, a subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next video. See you later.